last hour. Singapore has recorded its first case of the Zika virus. It's an imported case, a 48-year-old man who traveled to Sao Paulo, Brazil. As you probably know, Brazil is one of the countries worst hit by Zika. Now, here's what we know so far from a joint statement issued by the Health Ministry and National Environment Agency. The Singapore PR was there between late March and early this month. 3 days ago, he developed a fever and a rash. He was admitted to Mount Elizabeth Novena Hospital yesterday and was isolated. Today, he tested positive for Zika. He'll be transferred to the Communicable Diseases Center at Tan Tock Seng Hospital. He's said to be currently well and recovering. Now, the patient lives at Watton Estate, and residents in that area have been alerted to seek medical attention if they develop symptoms of fever and rash. The area in question includes Watton Estate and the condominiums Hillcrest Arcadia, the Arcadia, and Watton Hill. The Watton area is not an active dengue cluster. Authorities are moving extra personnel in to step up vector control efforts there. Most people infected by Zika do not show symptoms, so it is possible that some transmissions may have already taken place before notification of this case was made. Our reporter, Olivia Seong, she's at Tan Tock Seng Hospital, and we cross over to her live. Olivia, what can you tell us about this case?
Well, Cheryl, what we do know for now is that the patient was tested positive for the Zika virus infection today. He'll be transferred to the Communicable Diseases Center here at Tan Tock Seng Hospital for treatment, and to also ensure that he is isolated to minimize the chances of him of being bitten by mosquitoes and spreading the infection to the community. Now, the CDC and this hospital has been equipped to handle infectious diseases challenges in Singapore through the years, and the center is located away from the main hospital building. If you recall, TTSH was the designated hospital during the SARS outbreak back in 2003, and infected patients were sent here for treatment. Now, according to the Health Ministry, the Zika patient is currently well and recovering, and he will only be discharged upon being tested negative for the Zika virus. Now, the Health Ministry is also screening the patient's household members, and they have been advised to monitor their health and seek medical treatment if they do feel unwell. The Ministry of Health and National Environment Agency will also actively alert residents in the vicinity to seek medical attention should they develop symptoms of fever and rash. The Health Ministry says it will also provide updates on further developments and its latest public health risk assessments, and we will bring you updates as soon as we have them. Back to you, Cheryl.
Thanks, Olivia. That was our reporter, Olivia Seong, with that live update from Tan Tock Seng Hospital on Singapore's first case of the Zika virus. Moving on to the news today, Finance Minister Heng Swee